After the creation of an independent Czech Republic, hundreds of companies entered the market. Very few of these, however, have managed to not only last, but to continuously improve and expand their portfolio of services to the present day. Among those firms celebrating their 20-year jubilee in 2013 is the company Lintech, with their base in Chrastavice, not far from Domažlice. The firm Lintech first saw the light of day in 1993 and at the beginning was concerned with the development, manufacture, and distribution of components for laser technologies. Roughly 10 years later, this business for the domestic market and parts of the German market proved to be the breakthrough that positively influenced the running of the company for the next few years.
At that moment, we decided that we had to go our own way. That meant that somehow we had to think of a way to succeed in the marketplace. And one of the ways we came up with, and one which I think has long-term sense, was to give each individual product its own added value. And that added value is actually in our work, in our thinking, in our development, and so forth.
Lintech today stands on 4 pillars which ensure corporate stability. The alpha and omega of Lintech is the center for development, construction, sales, and subsequent service of laser and other marking machines.
Here we have technicians, engineers who try very hard to respond to the customer's needs. We always try to tailor the solution to the customer. It's not a problem to win the tender, but it is important to solve the customer's demands.
Another supporting point of the company is the manufacturing department. In this workshop in Chrastavice, you can order and subsequently leave for manufacture an infinite number of non-standard dies, stamps, or laser inscriptions for your corporate products and advertising materials.
We have, in essence, built here a complete technological production line for the manufacture of this one stamp. In essence, we do everything complete here in our firm, which means from cutting an unfinished product for more complex shapes. That is to say, wire cutting, erosion, engraving, and heat treatment.
Also classified among Lintech's important activities, which commenced at the turn of 2003-2004, is precise electrotechnical parts assembly. This production is specifically intended for the West European market, with applications from automotive to electrical engineering industries.
The production portfolio is gradually changing, so we switched from high-frequency connectors to connectors for optical fibers. Here we press connectors with tolerances of thousandths of millimeters. Our priorities are quality of work, meeting deadlines, and flexibility. These are things on which we must build and which our customers value.
Since 2009, Lintech has been cooperating with the Center of Laser and Automation Technologies at the University of West Bohemia in Pilsen. The aim of this partnership is to solve present-day problems of industrial bodies and to apply the results of this research in the field of laser technologies in industry.
Today, we are in a situation where we can determine the individual market trends, and that is thanks to our flexibility and thanks to the fact that we have skilled engineers who have the ability to do what needs to be done in this firm exactly the way the customer needs it to be done.
Even though Lintech is, at present, a reputable firm that runs like clockwork, its leaders' plans and visions for the future are by no means small.
Our goal for the next year is to build some new 2-story production halls, invest in some newer, more advanced technologies in the field of machining, in the field of lasers, particularly in the field of cutting, in the field of engraving, and in the field of welding. And we are going to invest in more people, up-and-coming people.